Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to play Chess960. If you want to do a free-for-all or a free-form chess game, it's actually quite easy. Log into your account, and once you have signed in, go and hover your mouse on the play option on the left-hand side, and then click on online play, like so. Once you are in this page here, I want you to click on the 3-minute blitz. So click the drop down here. And here, under 3-minute blitz, it's going to say standard, which is a standard chess match, right? So click on this drop down too, and it's going to be under standard. So Chess960, if you hover it on the eye icon on the right hand side, normal rules, but starting position is random. So click on Chess960, and as you can see, it is now enabled. And just choose how long it'll take. By default, it's going to be blitz 3 minutes. Click on start game. After that, you will be good to go like so. Again, you need to wait for people, whether or not there are people who are looking for the same type of match. As you can see, it says searching. And once the searching is done, you'll have your opponent. You can now play Chess960. And after that, you'll be all set. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.